Hi, my name is Alia, and I'm a Principal Solutions Engineer here at Staffbase. Welcome to a quick overview of Staffbase's internet platform. Let's jump right in. We've built Staffbase's intranet to address three main challenges. The first key challenge, shifts to new working structures and rapid acceleration of workplace technology, have created an increase in digital noise, leading to overwhelm and fatigue for many office workers. And amidst the noise, leaders and communicators are vying for attention, struggling to ensure that strategic messages are getting through. The second key challenge, while office workers are digitally overloaded, for many employees, there are still severe gaps in access to technology and digital communications. Deskless and frontline workers remain siloed, causing them to feel out of loop and undervalued. The third key challenge, a key frustration with traditional intranets, is the lack of personalization. Even if the internet does reach every single employee, the experience is not relevant and not engaging. All of these different challenges ultimately lead to the same consequence. Employees are not connected to the greater vision, strategy, and purpose of their organizations. And with companies experiencing vast amounts of rapid change, it's more important than ever for employees to be aligned to the strategy and understand their part in it. Which is why inspiring and engaging employees to be connected to a greater narrative is mission critical. The intranet of yesterday has missed its mark. It's no longer fit for purpose. Staffbase's Internet is designed with a clear purpose to inspire, engage, and connect employees to help you rise above the noise, reach out to all employees, and lead with relevance. 2,200 customers are using Staffbase to reach over 15 million employees today, which has led to us becoming the first billion-dollar company in employee communications software. We are the number one rated vendor for our employees across all sorts of industries to undergo transformations, implement critical changes, and improve their overall health and culture. Our clear purpose has led to Staffbase in just 3 years becoming the leading internet vendor in the market, according to third party internet analysts like Clearbox. Modern intranets must support communication and content across all channels, and we're going to show you just how Staffbase accomplishes that. So let's jump right in. Welcome to Staffbase's front door intranet. We're on an example homepage here, which of course will be branded to your specific look and feel from the colors, the logos, the fonts. But on this example homepage, I've positioned important news up top in this carousel, links to other resources, targeted news, as well as many other social engagement features. So, for instance, a social wall, perhaps it's a list of my tasks, as well as, for instance, a survey or form to be able to gather and elicit that two-way feedback and communication from your employees. Nothing that you're seeing here is locked in, it's dynamic. You can create whatever experience you would like for your employees through drag and drop components. Our customer success team can, of course, provide best practice guidance and templates to get started as well. These pages really help you organize static and dynamic content and help drive traffic to areas that are rich with resources. So, for instance, maybe it's an HR page with resources such as an employee handbook, other external resources, as well as important HR documentation as well. Or perhaps it's a page that's filled with corporate goals to help keep your employees aligned with strategic initiatives. Staffbase provides the ability to embed external content, such as an external dashboard from Power BI, directly into the internet, keeping your employees connected to the greater vision, strategy, and purpose of the organization. Or social feeds based on communities or groups that you've joined. Staffbase offers the possibility of opting in and out of content based on preference. Your employees can subscribe to certain information that they want to see. These pages, of course, can be easily modified or edited to add any additional resources and widgets. So perhaps on this page, I'd like to add a survey to solicit feedback from employees. As an editor, either from the front end, directly from the edit button up top, or from the studio, through drag and drop, I can add widgets and edit the page accordingly. As I mentioned, through drag and drop, no need to code, easily add those widgets, and each content element can be targeted based on device as well as group. So whether you're trying to add news posts, whether you're trying to add files, maybe it's a user profile, or as I mentioned, that survey, easily do so by selecting what you'd like to insert, who you'd like to target it to, as well as the device that you'd like to target to, and once that's completely, go ahead, select OK, and preview before publishing. So once we've gone ahead, preview that across devices, whether it's an Android, an iPhone, on desktop as well too, we can see that survey has been added, and then publish changes for your employees to see. So once we head back to the front door intranet, you'll see that now that survey has been added directly onto that page. Of course, once your content has been published, you'd love to see the success and impact of that content and how users are engaging. Our overall metrics allow you to understand the success and impact of your communications. For instance, with the social wall, we can see the number of visitors, the number of likes, the number of comments, the number of shares, with a further set of metrics and filters to narrow down your results based on your specific needs. And so whether that be a specific time frame, whether you're looking at a specific group of individuals, or maybe even a specific device type. But most importantly, speaking of engagement, our user analytics allow you to understand how, when, and where are users engaging with the platform and each other. Are users going in and interacting, liking, commenting, bookmarking content? And we even provide insights on when to publish content to have the greatest amount of reach to your specific users. And that's why we created Staffbase. Our technology puts the power back into the hands of your company to own your own story. We give companies the tools to put pencil to paper and cut through the noise with a consistent story. Thanks a lot for going through this demo with me. If you want a custom demo personalized for your team, book a meeting with us at staffbase.com/en/demo. Looking forward to chatting again soon. Can't wait.